So this is the 500k giveaway oak handle pliers. This is the card that comes with them. You want to pause it and give it a read. Then they come with this outer sleeve. Again, it's just cardboard, but nice sort of wood effect to it. This is the case. Now this case has got quite a good weight to it. Solid wood. Open them up, you've got your certificate, your individual number, which is on the handles. These are the pliers. I got number 14 out of 50. Very smooth handles. Obviously these are a display piece, they're not meant to be used. Solid wooden case. Yeah, lovely.